Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do is just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. Let's fix this issue together. So first of all, just go to search bar and type here cmd, then right click here and select run as administrator. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands. So type in dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and hit enter. So this processor will take some time to complete the process, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is, and after that we will move to the next method. Now type in sfc space slash scan now and hit enter to execute command. So this will also take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. Once done, we need to just restart the system and the problem will be solved. You can also check out our pinned comment or a description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.